How can literal law interpretations be effective? Imagine a law that says you cannot sleep in a bathtub with a donkey. It sounds bizarre, but if you look at it literally, it becomes a real rule that must be enforced. Literal interpretations of laws focus on the exact words used, which can make rules clear and straightforward. When laws are clear, everyone knows what is expected and what is not allowed. This reduces confusion and helps law enforcement avoid making subjective decisions. In states with strange laws, like the one that bans donkeys from sleeping in bathtubs in Arizona or Alaska's, rule against pushing a live moose out of an airplane, literal interpretation makes sure these laws are followed as written. If a law says a pickle must bounce to be safe, then it must bounce before being sold. If someone wears cowboy boots without owning a cow in California, they are breaking the law, no matter how silly it sounds. Applying laws exactly as written keeps enforcement consistent, even if the law seems odd. Literal interpretation works well when laws are written clearly and address specific behaviors. For example, if a law states that a person cannot cry on the witness stand, then crying is forbidden, plain and simple. Or if a law bans riding bicycles in swimming pools, then that activity is illegal, no matter how funny it sounds. These laws aim to protect safety or property, like the Arizona law protecting the saguaro cactus or Alaska's moose rule. Enforcing them exactly as written supports their original purpose. However, sometimes these laws can cause funny or confusing situations. Imagine trying to enforce a law about donkeys sleeping in bathtubs when no one owns a donkey or bathtub, or a law that bans crying on the witness stand, which might seem outdated or odd today. But if the law is still active, officials must follow it as is, leading to amusing enforcement stories. These gaffes highlight how old laws can clash with modern life or common sense. Literal interpretation also shows us how laws are written with specific words and phrases. It reminds lawmakers to be precise when creating rules. Many strange laws come from old times or specific incidents that no longer happen, but they stay on the books. Enforcing these laws literally keeps order but also makes us laugh at how language can be misunderstood or taken at face value. It's a way to see how laws can be both serious and humorous at the same time.